Hey Pakistan,
What, India?
let's go for camping. Let's also bring our friends.
Yes, India, but why are we going? For camping, we can simply stay in the backyard of our house and say that we are camping.
Bro, it's because all places have been closed in every country because of the weekend and only a camping place in India is open. So that's why we are going.
Okay.
Let's force our friends to come with us.
What the hell, India? India and Pakistan. What was that?
You guys have to go to camping with us.
Okay.
The bus is coming. Let's go. Guys, let's make our tent.
2,000 years later.
Let's go in our tent. Let's sleep, guys.
Oh God, why can't I sleep? Let's check where this sound is coming from. Hello? Anyone there? I'm getting scared. Whoever it is, come here.